Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G32 and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to pull down your notification trace and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you will find a power saving toggle, which for me is right now already enabled. You can see it right over here, battery saver. So by default, obviously it will be off like this. So if you want to turn it on, tap on it, and then it will enable. Now, one thing to keep in mind is most power saving modes will do some wonky things in the background, like turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data to preserve your battery. And because of this, you might experience that fetching things like notifications or emails might be delayed or just not happen at all when you're not using your device. Now, if you experience such a thing, just know that this is the fault of the battery saver itself, and obviously to make the device function normally, all you would need to do is toggle it off. So, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.